welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you how to make your own Minecraft server for completely free, and you'll be able to run it like forever. So first things first, you go to atornos.org. Now you click play on the bottom right. Now you'll need to sign up. If you logged out, you can still log in, so sign up. Choose a username. It is already taken, so just gonna be doing a name of my alt account. Yes, now this works, so you need to flip this switch and click next. Now I will do my password, like whatever you want. The email, you can put it, but you don't need, so let's just sign up and see what we have. So when you sign up, you will need to create a server, and you can choose Java or Bedrock. My keyboard is quite glitchy because it puts these lines, so I'll change it later. It's okay. Now let's launch it. So first things, if you have an ad blocker, you need to disable it so they can earn a little bit of money out of it. Now this is the console. It won't work until it's on online. Let's see, log, nothing in here. Players, you can whitelist, ban, banned IPs, and also operators. Now you can put a lot of things like mod packs, all of these others. I'm gonna just put vanilla. Like these all are just if you are using some of mods or something. Let's put the latest version. It is already set to it as default. So to start your server, you just press start. You will need to accept this, and it is better to send notifications. While we are waiting, I'm gonna launch Minecraft launcher, and okay. It means that Monday you cannot play online for 15 minutes, but that's still not a lot of time. So now it's launching. And it's estimated 5 minutes. Now when you're going to the options sections, to apply you just need to restart your server. Oh, now we have Minecraft launched. Let's type in the IP address. Now add server. Come on. Okay, the server is almost launched. 10 minutes. Okay, it's just my friend that I'm gonna play Minecraft with. That's nice. You also have these nice tutorials how to make nice things like plugins, mods, and multiple worlds. Everything else also there. Now I'll just cut to while we finish the queue. Oh, now you'll get this notification. Click confirm now and it should start. Okay guys, now it's time. We have 2 gigabytes of we'll just play, and now brand new world. We got into the world. Oh, well, I'm in the middle of the island. So if you want to join these series, I'll be making a Minecraft survival series. So let me know in the comments if you want to join. I'll leave the IP in the comments or description, and hope you enjoy. Maybe I will change the start position to land because this is too small for a lot of people, and yeah.